Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about my favorite Android right now, and that is the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. And no, I'm not being paid to say this, I'm just going to get it right out of the way. None of this is sponsored. I bought this phone with my own money, and usually I'm an iPhone user coming from the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but after some battery life issues with the beta and just iOS 18 in general, I really liked the design of the Pixel when it came out, and I really thought it was something, finally different from Google. They really stepped up the build quality and design, in my opinion, which goes along with what a lot of other people were saying at the time. So I figured, I contemplated it for like a month, and then finally in late October, I finally picked one up. So it's been about 3 weeks now. I've been using this device, and I've tried it on. It was on stock Android, obviously. And then I did use a custom ROM, which I have a video on if you guys want to check that out. I am currently not on the custom ROM. I am on QPR 2 Beta 1. Nothing wrong with the custom ROM, just wanted to try out the beta again. But really like this phone. It's got really good battery life. I did not charge it that much last night because I'm actually doing a test later on with the 45 watt Google charger, so that's why the battery is so low so early, because I wanted to try to drain it so I could do a charging test with the 45 watt charger. But really nice build quality. It is a hardware-wise really nice phone. A lot of people will tell you that the processor is kind of behind, but maybe on paper it is, but on actual day-to-day performance, this phone is buttery smooth. 16 gigs of RAM, perfect for Google Gemini and all the AI stuff it's got, which when you buy a Pixel right now, you do get that a Gemini Advanced for 1 year for free. So that's really nice to try out. I've been using that here and there. Fingerprint sensor, as you can see, works very well. I do have a glass screen protector over here on top of it as well, and no issues there. Very bright, very colorful and vibrant screen. I was using my Galaxy Z Fold 6 for a couple days, just trying different things out, trying to see what I liked, wanted to use long term. And when I went back to this, I was like, wow, that screen is bright, and it's a lot more colorful than the Z Fold 6 in my opinion. You can see the brightness. I think I keep it like 85% I want to say. If we go into display here, we can see 85% brightness. Here's all my other settings. Color contrast is default, adaptive colors, and we do have smooth display turned on for that 120 Hz refresh rate. And on the custom ROM, one cool thing I like about this phone is the fact that you can unlock the bootloader and install custom ROMs. I've only found Sierra Droid right now. I haven't seen any other custom ROMs out there. But if you're looking for some extra features, extra customizations in the UI, stuff like that, definitely check that ROM out. I do have a video of it on the channel. But overall, phone feels great in the hand. It performs great. It's got great battery life, and it does exactly what I need it to do with a good user experience. So this is my phone of choice right now. We'll see how that changes when One UI 7 finally rolls out. Of course, we'll be doing the beta on that, but we are still waiting there. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see content on this Pixel, and if you want to see that One UI 7 content when it rolls out on the Z Fold 6. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.